mascara, perfect. And what is this other thing that I have? Well, I ordered one more thing. Oh, shoes. I didn't think they would fit in this tiny little box, but they do fit. So let's see. Look at this. Right from Amazon. Super adorable. Hopefully it fits. What size is? I ordered a size 6. So they look so pretty though. Here's the other one. Put them side by side. I'm excited to wear these. They are so pretty and the material feels nice and sturdy. What do you think, Jana? Do you like how it smells? What's your impression on this? He likes to sniff everything. He's a really curious dog. So that is what I got today. The shoes and this mascara. It is the Sky High 801 Maybelline Berry Black color, and this is the one that I have actually on auto delivery because I love it. It's a really, really good one. So that's it for today. Until next time, bye.